Pharaoh. Pharaoh also dreamt, and because he was a king, he understood, because dreams also revolves around priesthood. So he understood spirit communications, that the greatest platform of communication through spiritual spirit communication is the dream world. So he had to search for an interpreter. And then unfortunately, an interpreter was found in the prison. An interpreter was found in the dungeon. And because the king knows that unless and until this interpreter is taken from the dungeon, he might fall victim of the lack of interpretation of this dream. So I'm trying to show you that the value of dreams. And another vessel we see in the Bible who had a little understanding of dreams is the man. Who's this guy? Nebuchadnezzar. Nebuchadnezzar also, these guys are similar, Pharaoh and Nebuchadnezzar. They understand the value of dreams. That's why they will always look for interpreters who will interpret these strange, mysterious dreams. Are you seeing the value of dreams?